Okay, FM 101.7.
Owura Kofi Adams, a former national organizer for the NDC, was a parliamentary candidate for Buem constituency. Na yene no entwetwe enkombo. Champion Kofi Adams mi mwache.
Yeah, when you have come with Jodo, charity for Anope.
A chefo nyina je osna boko de.
Oh, ya media che ye hunye.
Na ankofoti won kan che, Black Kofi ko share hin.
O akasa o ye introduction ni o bo mi din say former and o ye former dia eno che say we juma no in a way no di aba iwiye enti wonta enti minka say na time me national organizer no enti enunti na akoba no san so be candidate so e constituency emben nkran ha enti ukodu o check Accra and sana maybe wodi we ni kire Accra biom na wasako na do time bi so we ye juma no kra underground enya di bia wo ye no na wodi betuja so yeguso a ye di juma
Na mama hwe Buem constituency what to say o ya wo chances enche kra na ekoto abawo eti say
oh Buem constituency na nkasa de make I say I'm not in competition dia concluded who cross the primaries media on the ticket of the NDC no you know that it's concluded now so me fan say oh because of enuti ma mention that no I'm engaging the various communities regularly now because say me verify me confirm me idea me research neka chemi ansana mi yi mi ti say me kwa kujina no is it still the needs is it still okay ekwame na yebe faso how can I tap into the local resources to resolve some of the problems confront here issues be on the ground no ekwame na yebe faso etunwana more to make sure that problems any and which are personal for Moko through will at least be, if not eliminated entirely, will be reduced to the barest minimum by the time maybe Nipa Eba Bewie the first time serving them as a representative in parliament. So and I'm happy about the way support and interest especially the youth in the agenda to reposition Buem once again, both for me and my flag bearer, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Na papa mamemra wobi bisa se wodi why national organizer da party wedi ani mu da bra na mo wa ban mu bra mo opposition victory ba uhunu NDC victory eba come December 7 na eba die na kire se victory eba isan se na anu ada say so we ya His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia what the 50 achievements and achievements ni nyina no or the ba no just opposed with that of the Mahama administration sama kuma 50 enei wasi wo mu ba ye bibi a friend say town hall meeting na enu no wo aban yi be kire infrastructure o maye enum ne ade de egu akwam hwe we enum nyina ene ade a victory ba wo de ohunu nkugu ba ohunu say na tie Eja Kofi Adams
You mean you say like I say in 2007 me who very clear say NDC yebedi nkunim 2008 and ti se wobeka ya meka party mpinifo ho na ejuma kwa na meye no I took the necessary step to resign so that me dedicate me time ni bibia area my party no in terms of mobilizing youth no. 2019 a year before another general elections no opportunity na me hu no na a much more clearer than ya me hu in 2007 edema NDC enti induma abranche bidiba abontin nanu ya enche bia se abeidie mahama afanu no kretrudo because MPP party abra no mo opposition omo amfa no kredie amfa meji ekunja no intro bebre eno mo ka kire nipa omo dada nipa bebre omo ba be no kura no gusu dada nipa one to say ye vice president o kanyama omo ye no say o ka bibi o na ye tua nurses allowance ye say edura anese for bi ankoda sanitation ministry omo suma police for so omo ko bu won e dey asem na omo kai omo say omo ma hon t-shirt say omo share sa t-shirts no enda His Excellency na Danko Akufo-Addo as say or the allowance abre ho abra kobo kura no yenti ama ho so aban intro a omo di ya omo de wura aban mu no na omo gusu edi santro na e wa aban na wudi intro a bedroom baby ni no kura no be expose contractors omo si yetia contractors ka oh yendi contractor bia ka the normal 90 days kura maybe contractor presenting a certificate every cancer ye no count in 2016 almost ba enche bia na ye tia obia ye ndi obia ka to that point when you the certificate ba pe na ye tia ene enche sa na omo ni nam no omo dada ni ba o ye tia contractors ka ya ye say na so contractor no so no na ma ye tia no ka obia sa so na financial institutions ni adia customers bia o musika kokem Mampeni na kasa se yetua won 98%, 96-98%. Na so sika no ebi nko kan obi ansa. So utumi enfantro enfambedi de na enfantro entuna forever. There be that. No kure no ebe pie by all means. So for me omupeo
na ayi angovi obi tumi sas
omupeo mo nye town hall kra town no esusu dodo omo ye house hall na omo rewre fie bia no no mo koye omo koka omo nsem because asema wo koka no doesn't reflect on the ground completely different from the ground and a form hono na ebe kire and some no dey ombeka o because that is how they are ombeka. Because the same vice president, Obeka say in 2016, say, Mayenda Mampini Mahama say, was solving Dumson. And now, sorry, I say, Omun solving Dumson. Now, so one Kazan, His Excellency Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, and Okoka say, yes, John Dramani Mahama solving Dumson. Now, so Mayenda Nasi, because Yasan also solving. And then the was the one who solving Dumson. Na tani pay bejina we nim na so ka bibi che obi ma ubede na wagine he is not telling you the truth so kasa keke no mo kan ti o mo pe a mo nye town hall kra o mo nye house hall
na Uncle Fiadam say amanfo so be argument ni say anye bia no nurses asema wo kan yehu say nurses over 50,000 and aban yi employ wo the NAPCO wo ho afi se wo ba youth program e friend NAP no so aban ya fa nipa bebre young entrepreneurs wo ye adwuma wo mbeka creation of regions no ne ade ni nyina aba na anano argument bi kwa
yes ya ukura oye doctor oye professor and my man fellow professor Uko Ghana Health Services on website ubehu the total number of nurses for na omo wo ho ansa na MPP eba bem ene ukona uko check here. Additions are the abeka hono less than 13,000. And to me, baby, MP before you 50,000 nurse for Moka water. And this our nurse for no payroll best when no more. Payroll bank and no more. Because the information is there with him. I pay and I make out intro. Life. The statistics, the information is there. Uko Ghana Health Services on website. The number of nurses are now more Ghana. Eboho pin as at 2016 end. And now ube who the total. Yemfa no kura say or more President Mahama Bresu Yema financial clearance kurano. Yemfa ni na fama MPP because omubedi adieno in 2017 ede bano ena sankrofo no omuremu even though omu financial clearance no in 2016. Yemfa no kura mfa nkoka ho. They are less than 13,000 and the 50,000 omu konya no wo he. Nanso omu denam omu kansem omu it is a number of persons are omunya free SHSE. So we have population before omu ko in secondary schools no. That was so saying at the time I implementing free SHSE. Now so we are say oh free SHSE buy no.
Ango Kofi Adams.
For bebre echo school. Because now to population we check YX figures, we check GS figures now. Omu we school in previous years no crowd omu also say no more omu so here this time around. So where lies this argument? Then Ebano infrastructure, Mate say Vice President say Omwaye tema interchange. Omo ye pokuasi, Omo sanye obichebilamte circle interchange. Now on Feria nko kasa.
Oh, are they? Because government is a continue. Anna.
Kosone. Now so enyamu na mo arrange bibia. It's like saying that President Kufuor play any role in the N1. Onokra anyani na kra no ye Professor Muskoya commission no or inviting ye the credit ni man we project onokra wanyani na ye the credit the map President Kufuor. Now what the two idea ye nwie enti chicheduane ne ma mofa na ukojina kicha wo so na wuni aye obi ati mfifiri akọ
but Uncle V ye wa Ghana ha na
obi ati mfifiri akọ njuma akọ akoto emo awo akoto all the ingredients waba benua jollof rice isi ho wo de no say we kitchen na chicheduane ne ma mofa na now wo de je point say wo na wuni aye because wo na wo titi aduane no good plate ne mo ma ho nti wo na we nu aduane no. Is this not another way of lying?
Now,
Omun can say the empire no more between 7th January 2017 to March now. Omu a year BBR for tema interchange. Everything has been done by President Mahama.
But the amount here say
real line now from
Angovie
call Akosombo. Apart from the fact say Omwasesa the end point from Bibiana originally in call say equal to Mpakadine.
Angovie.
Everything had been secured. All they needed to do is to follow the process. Any project no are delayed. Time me ana ko say ye project no ye to me here then we project no. Meanwhile you na ko hwe bibia nothing. You didn't do anything.
Hey, but Angovie me tie ye no aye tema interchange no. Yes ba akona na wo ho no MPS fo na wo mo abaye project wo ho no. Wo mo na omo ye sa kwan no so that it will be accessible for them. But the one can say the abino etwam no bo modern so be agreement no sika no agreement no but wo mo ba ye no wo mo be hwe se agreement in be go through ama say yaye eti no oje credit yenye yi
enye no kre they just signed the contract na bibia atitom.
Okay,
it was a Japanese grant na bibia atitom bibia the designs and everything. Yeah, because answer na obekwa akosra de no we kan designs ni bibia costing and na we ko on sorry enko bisa say mama me 100 million we dey koye den every project is costed and the answer na wo kwa pesika no kwa no na wunim ade a wo kwa akoye na ye bibia to ho answer na omo ba eno na maker wunim say unya emu beye cap say unya enchini say unya saade say se wo beye wo jollof rice ana wo fried rice say na unya why you bibia ato ho wo de egu was saucepan mu aso ija esisu what any bibia adina bien wi a so me kwa kodware enti wo chiche eduane ne ma mbofra na wo so wo na wo chiche ye enti wo na wo kitchen hunt koye sa final part enti wo na wo ye. That's what is happening. Na nya di say maybe fair no mo ka say infrastructure eno nya mpuntu a ave de areas na mo ka say omo no mo ya de ye mbo hon nsambrane en so no mo hu say there's a total failure. Penny for companies, institutions are na ye buoyanta eye juma omo gigi awards ni nyina na egugu. Why Dr. Papa Kosindum edi men na ye to no NDC abreso
ejuma wura but ene o de kawura
na wada na kawura
but
ejuma wura NDC wo na ye fe no ejuma wura den na ye fe no ejuma wura na ejuma no na obiemo
but omo ba ya won ba hwe
hiva na Dr. Indum wo
o abrechire America
no say ye fe no ejuma wura biom afede ye fe no ejuma wura biom
adabi ese obeda ne kawura
yes me fe no ejuma wura biom
ana mebo se wo mo ba yes wo mo ye financial clean up no emu no ko hunu se niema bi wo wa na ese nka bra mo wo ho no mutibi timo ni hwe ehunu se financial institutions ni bebre wo wa wo mo CEOs ni managers no ni wo mo run niema yi sika kura na bi nim wo ma yi sika ni nyina afiri mu we no wo ma ban abaso
many are financial the no moka ofa bibi to say Unibank abine the contractors are kwakoji sika free Unibank ho based on abine contracts or the amount with the promise say obetua and say wa ban wan kwankutia account na with the contractors na contractors so kwankutia amma bank na be dey na bank ne enya ska the time a ohia scan na be dey na enya look sansem no munjaika because you can ehuma epie say those financial institutions and our banks no munya less than 10 billion or so to completely turn around. Bank of Ghana na kasa mekai ene omu calculate so must spend over 20 billion in clean up adia nipa no here less than 10 to stay afloat ejuma no be ho sika enshi and so on and so forth no one man no sa support no now we say we spend 20 something billion. Meanwhile 20 something billion crowd was spending no crowd more musika no crowd no scale no bank account musika and the idea na we catch right. Look, this party in government doesn't deserve another chance at all.
Na meba
the type of campaign or mobile.
Meba se wobi tie na wo tie no hu se bia planting for food and jobs wo mo kra de wo manyim chefa se wo fa bibi se one district one factory aban no atime facilitate ama we aba be ti se Legon hospital muja aye wo mo so ba aye no wo ma be hye ne ma ama sesei ye adwuma
Professor Kwame Nkrumah, we are professor of the airwaves, planting for food and jobs. We call every government, and including the NDC government, onukwa no who say adie ehia support, ehia investment, and Canadian buying ecotenasi, ehien shishe, omumboye, with sika kakra ye de be kwa kura ye in agriculture no eno omo ba ye no edintu ya edinsi say change of name no ho affidavits without affidavits ikura no eno omo kay modern edin to planting for food and jobs ade kura enyom no mo ye kura enka eniama ye list and planting for food and jobs no omo gi hu credit when them say body like this now enka planting for food and jobs body bu almost say planting for food and jobs in na body now so body any bu ana say body beba if the levels of investment in cocoa who koye new cocoa farms eba along with body at least for sometimes the first 2-3 years no benya body no sa sana maybe cocoa no be then be take over no kra no omuje to omo say out of planting for food and jobs enye no kra but that program itself no the baby of the NDC we say one district one factory or more facility say about facilitated factories there and they are buying by no omo hwe because the number of factories are buying facilitated here under the NDC uncountable bebre kwa and you say about facilitation yani omunyo hwe and your mother da nipa nya omuka yani say every district biano benya factory if it's about facilitation why are you going to force people to build factories in every district but your promise or fairly oba me district bibia ni ho bibia ni me district say one district one factory that's where wo mukrata no say omoye fruit processing in Yamaniama ewo jasika na so ni ho
mebo eni ho
nothing ni ho look a Greek minister honorable Fiye any the then voter regional minister na ye ka voter ho Dr. Lechani Penifo omuko jasika en kokate sort November 2018 say omo be ye factory ewo jasika besi ne ehwada ne kwaye a wopem ochini ade a ho na abombofo no sisi akoko eko hante for ni other things ehwada ne kwaye signboard ni si ho sa fe de omo san ko signboard e de private nothing training ho na so omo ni nam no mo dada Ghana for so omo ye one state one factory
but ananu a ye ne maame ne di nkomo no bebre wo wa wodi enumerate e de kire yen wenum nyina a chese eye adwuma ekumfi say juice factory say eye adwuma kama
na me say obaja sikan a omo list say omo aye bi wo ho nothing is there obi aye ne factory a na omo akopenti wa na omo atunu din one district one factory
anya bia
omo apenti na omo atunu din one district one factory omo kanta ye factories ahin na abaina kasa die nima almost started from beginning to the end me district bibia ni hosa yensika no mo be say minister no to fuel or the who allowance ni per diem eko for shortcutting nothing has happened nothing bibia nsi ho
na mamem ni unwie we na anu yakoye abatuo di ntro voter registration exercise na akọ pim awieye emu asem kakra pepe mu baye unim as former national organizer and then parliamentary candidate for Buem edie na ye be ye masade ye hu ye wo banda ye hu bi wo me ahodo bi su ni ade no ebi nsibiem doma west no ni ade no ebi nsie wo upcoming elections mu.
First and foremost me mamenka say the vigilance and the commitment of yina as Ghanaians no ena ebeboa mo bia ye na adwen se emfa me ho na aban no ana party na ewa ben wa say niama to the point say ebinim be o mo adwen se sisi ade yen kasabium no na yenti a ne nyina basa no because aban no ambo no humbody aban no hu say wa fili in 4 years yi ade a ono ka say obeye no omo anye so edi ntro keke no yen fa kwoni so enye niama maybe nka edi suru en yebe hunahuna nipa so that omo nkonkochiro omudi but at the end of the day no because of nkrofo omudi zai say ye best sa by 90 omo ye ma omo chiro omudi And I know that same commitment, you know, you the back into a battle. Now, once NDC bedding kunim no, Sadie, Edincho, and Mubiam, Ghana have you. Once NDC takes over the reins of this country from 2021, you intro the India and Mabibisa NC. Because you are trading pen, you are trading for with new technology in 2012. Bibisa NC. Edientina, Aidie, na Adani as if say Ghana Yako war. And because of the failed performance of the government.
Oh,
now Omu use all kinds of strategy to block people. Almost sorry, so almost you buy and chay. Maybe I may come as say governance no any number of years. Resources are na ewa at disposal. And I yedi bunkunta. Obi to meet now for 10 years. Nanso sika ebeba nsem no say endrunia wo wonsabeka in maybe 2 years. Nia wo beye wo 2 years ni nipa no to be yes ade. Enu ntie na wo baby a wo be say obi si 3-bedroom kra no eteke no beye 10 years kra onsi wiye. Obi di beye 6 months no or di be si 10-bedroom house. Na wa move akom because Ukraine sika bibia oye from day one, ejuma no ekoso saa till the last day. Abai eba so no wa winning sika ana ekawo abeka ye ne kanu. Adi ana now 120 billion no ene ye ka over 260 billion. And more than 140 billion edi abeka ekawo na ifi Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Breso edi be paying John Dramani Mahama time on hand over the mount. Again, I want why you the better. She knew why you the better. Who be someone they be almost free SHS. And the free SHS and 140 billion. Brown Kunta free SHS, we have spent less than 10 billion. And the remaining 130 billion, again, why you the better. So clearly, no, about any failures and ama editrono. The way more than convinced, say subsequently NDC be the idea, yes our problem no. But may share more say the commitment of Ghanaians is so high that elections in Ankasano ebeko peacefully.
Oh, okay.
Because election no enquire class, enquire cyclical. Now in all the over 33,000 police stations the same day. For now, yes, some sentenced to the order. No, you go to my son, Debbie. She said, the good people of the country against trouble causes.
Okay. Now, Uncle, we are Professor, why book when you be a guy?
Me patcho Debbie.
And yeah, unya be kind, now you do come up. I
only wish say, at this critical time. About Bonnie War or say you too no. And carrying a time NDC penny for ye be hire home with bookie. Or say ye focused on your say ye. Now ye two are by me. Now or more mobile focus on governor say ye ma minor air calling him on bay almost so mobile or more memoirs or more experiences because or more ye Jumana. FSL be a midri there among Kahumbium Nanko Muso Ayesa. I wish say it wasn't the best of times. And only me only wish but book in Ankasa the Memin Kanye.
Any actually ye bedi hunkomo. Me da se bebre pa.
Me da se so minya.
Me da se William for Kofi Adams, former national organizer of the NDC, parliamentary candidate for Buem Emma NDC the NRC and
Okay, FM 101.7.